Alright guys, so we are back today with another hair video. So you guys know springtime is slowly approaching, so I wanted to show you guys a really fun, cute, curly highlighted bob for the season. So shout out to Wowafrican for sending me this unit, guys. You guys know I absolutely love this company's units. Everything comes to you as a complete unit, meaning it comes pre-bleach, pre-plucked, and it also comes with adjustable strap, which makes the units 100% glueless. Now in this video today, I did go ahead and use my olive oil wig grip spray just to get this unit to stay down, especially the ear tab area, which I was successful at doing. The unit looks flawless AF, guys, and the color is perfect for the season. Now I do want to go ahead and show you guys the install part of this unit, which was basic AF, but I will show you guys the cap construction, how good the lace looks, and everything like that, guys. This is a clean hairline, which they very well specify in getting this done so nicely. So as you guys can see, it is a clean hairline. There's nothing that you guys can detect on this wig whatsoever. So guys, let's jump into the install part. Can tell this was a same day install with this company and their units. I always do like a same day install, although I did go ahead and co-wash this unit overnight before I installed it today. These units are kind of shake and go style units. They can just literally be washed and put on and ready to be worn. You don't have to use glue on these units like I mentioned before, because these units do come with an adjustable strap, and like I like to call them, they're complete units, so everything is done for you before putting the unit on, which I absolutely love. So I did go ahead and wash the hair. I used neutralizing shampoo to just clean the hair dry. As far as the styling products that I used Cantu products. So I just recently picked up this Cantu flaxseed smoothing oil. Works very well, kind of defrizzing and kind of getting the hair to look nice and sleek like it does now, and just kind of maintaining less frizz on the hair, which you guys can see the hair looks pretty intact. I also did go ahead and use my Cantu coconut curling cream. I either use the coconut curling cream or I use the leave-in conditioner. They both do an excellent job by defining the curls. As you guys can see, the curls are very pretty. This unit, guys, hands down is a gorgeous unit. The unit has a great density on it as well too, guys, as you guys can see. Now let me read the specs for you so I don't mess this up. I'm sure I'm probably gonna leave the specs in the video. So this unit is the highlighted blonde curly bob Brazilian hair wig, and this is a style Brooke. So she actually has a name, Brookie. Brooke. So this unit is 14 inches long, guys, and the density is 180% density. I will wrap around, well, turn around and show you guys the back, but the 180% density is pretty accurate for this unit. It is a very nice thick density. Now, there is a coupon code, which I have the same coupon code all the time, which is DOM15, and this will save you $15 on any wig that you choose from the website. So my coupon code stays the same. Now, as far as the affordability of this unit, guys, I did actually look at this unit on the website. I actually tend to do that now just to kind of give you guys the overall amount, so it kind of makes sense before you guys go ahead and click stuff. So this unit, if you get it in the 14 inches, it'll be $229. If you get in the 12 inches, which is, this is 14, if you don't want that extra length, I would say go ahead and get a 12 inch. The 12 inch will be $209 with 150% density. So I'll specify that now. This on the website will be shown to you at 150% density, although I would set this one at 180. In my opinion, giving this opinion to you guys, you don't really need the 180% density. I feel like the 180% density, you guys can see it, it's a lot of hair anyways, and the fact that this is already curly hair, you don't have to kill yourself by going over. 150% on this one will be perfectly fine. Guarantee you, I'm telling you the truth. Don't waste your time trying to get 180. It's already curly. You guys can see all that volume. Some of you guys don't even like when the hair puffs up like that. So I would recommend sticking with the 150 for the 12 inch for $209 plus my $15 off, or doing the 14 inch, which is $229. Now with this one, you have the option to get the elastic band or not, which is, that's where the price changes as well too. So you can get an elastic band, they'll just add a few more dollars on, and they also ask you if you wanted the normal lace, which is transparent lace, which is still fine, or you can go ahead and get the undetectable HD. So I'm reading this off for you guys just so you guys know that I am checking the prices, I'm checking the details so that you guys know how to purchase it if you're interested in this unit. So as far as pricing, I think the pricing is very reasonable. Like I said, this unit is considered a complete unit. It already comes with the works. So if you don't know what to do, you don't have to do that much. If you don't know how to glue, you don't have to glue it. You don't even have to use the spray, but if you want to use the spray, you can. Like I said, I use the spray to secure the ear tabs down just to make it look more realistic, so that I can do my little hairstyle, you know, push it behind my ear. So all in all, guys, I think that this unit is lovely. Very, very minimal shedding. I did have to detangle it a little bit while I was putting the product through it to let it air dry, but very, very light shedding. It was nothing extravagant, nothing crazy, which I do appreciate. The comb in the back is actually a great comb as well too, and that's one thing I like about their units. The comb is so big, guys. It is just so easy to grip up, and then you have like a nice secure unit all the way through, guys. So let me know what you guys think about this one. I definitely think this is a banger for the springtime. Hello Spring 2022 with this baby right here. Alright guys, so that basically wraps up the video. I'll leave all the information down below if you're interested in purchasing this unit from Wowafrican. Do not forget to go ahead and use my coupon code, which is DOM15, to save $15 off of your next purchase. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.